The Western Isles are located on the northwest coast of Scotland. The Western Isles are a group of islands primarily consisting of Lewis, Harris, North Uist, Benbecula, South Uist and Barra. 28,000 people live in the Western Isles, with roughly a third of them living on Lewis. Over 5,000 people live in Stornoway, the main town on Lewis. The Viking influence is still very evident in the islands. Although Norse did not replace Gaelic as the everyday language, the Vikings left the place names as their lasting legacy. People lived in the islands long before the Vikings arrived. It is said that the world-famous Callanish stones are over 5,000 years old. The fishing industry was the main source of employment for the majority of islanders at the turn of the last century. Stornoway Harbour was a bustling port full of boats and barrels of herring. The fishing industry has declined rapidly, and although some still make a living out of it, it is nowhere as strong as it once was. In Lewis, we are surrounded by moorland and peat. This peat has been cut for centuries and used as fuel. Although it is hard work cutting the peat, it is no surprise that due to the current price of fuel, many are switching back to this free source of heating. Today, islanders are employed in a wide variety of different sectors. For hundreds of years, islanders have been making their own tweed. In the early 20th century, tweed which was woven in the islands was given a special status, and it became known as Harris tweed. This industry gave employment to many, both weavers who produced tweeds on looms at their homes and those who worked in the big mills. After a decline in the 1980s and 90s, the Harris tweed industry is seeing a resurgence, and tweed is once again becoming the must-have fashion accessory. Stornoway is also famous for another export, black pudding. This too was given special status recently, and only black pudding produced within the boundaries of the Stornoway Trust can be classed as Stornoway black pudding. Famous chefs have used this product in a wide variety of innovative ways, and you should try it if you get the opportunity. In 2006, a new factory opened on the outskirts of Stornoway, the Hebridean Seaweed Company. They sell seaweed which is used in a wide variety of different ways across the country. People cut seaweed for them by hand, and they also use harvesting machines which have come over from the States. In August 2012, a new school opened for pupils at secondary level in Lewis. There are over 1,000 pupils at the Nicholson Institute, making it the largest school in the Western Isles. Traditional music is still very much alive in the islands. In recent years, island singers and musicians have achieved success at national and international level. There are many opportunities available for young people to learn a wide variety of instruments. With vibrant communities, stunning beaches, a wide variety of activities which can be done outside in a beautiful setting, along with a unique way of life, the Western Isles really is a special place to live.